Guys, who doesn't love slime? I mean, I love slime. And today we have 3 slimes here and, well, a slime kit. Let's get started. And before we get started, I want to thank YoYo Lipgloss for sending us these slimes. Now let's get started. We're going to start with this one. Let's check this one out, guys. Oh, guys, look at it. It's like a powder. You gotta mix it together. And then we have the instructions. So first we gotta pour the powder in the bottom part of the egg. So we have to pour in 3/4 cups of water, and this is the whole thing. Now we have to put the lid on and shake it. So we have to shake for 90 seconds and then we have to let it sit for 10 minutes. Now that we shook it for 90 seconds, we're gonna move on to the next one and let it sit for 10 minutes. So we're gonna do the cloud slime. Let's see what's inside this one. Whoa, guys, this is a cloud slime. We're gonna open it up and try mixing it on this plate. We need scissors. Guys, it really does smell like bubble gum. Well, let's dump it out. There's a package inside of it. Guys, here we have it all out. And there's a surprise. Let's open it up and see what it is. Guys, so they're little charms to put in it, or you can like top the slime off. Guys, guess which one is my favorite? The pineapple! Okay, well, and I like how it's not sticky. Can you see things? Wait, let me make it all pretty and then like top it off. I really think this slime is great. It's non-sticky and it smells like bubblegum, which is nice. And the nice thing is that it came with some charms, so you can like put the charms in the slime and like bury them like I just did if this one, or like top them off and make them look like all pretty. I love how clear and like transparent it is. On to the final one. Let's open this one. Here's what comes in the kit. The glue, foam, and contact solution. And the bowl and spatula are not included. Okay, first things first, we gotta dump this whole container of glue into the bowl. So we'll unscrew the lid. Okay, 3, 2, 1, dump. And our slime may have some little red pieces of glitter. Next step is to add all of the foam into the bowl. And then stir it. You have to stir it until you start seeing it get foamy. So let's stir. Okay guys, it's starting to get foamy. Add now a contact solution and add 2 to 3 drops until it thickens. And keep stirring. So we'll add 3 drops to start off with. 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, we're still mixing it. Okay guys, here it is. We did have to add more contact solution than what it said, but it did turn out pretty good. Okay guys, moment of truth. Let's see if the slime worked in the egg. We're gonna add the confetti. Guys, after playing with it some, it's actually not too bad. My thoughts on these guys is they all worked pretty good. My favorite is probably this one. This one is my second. Guys, these all are good slime kits. The one we did have a little difficulty for is this one. It was just hard mixing them together. Because no matter what we did, it just stayed sticky. We recommend going to get some of these. Thank you to YoYo Lipgloss for sending us these. Hit that notification bell if you haven't already. Give a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Bye!